Morning, afternoon, before you are watching. Welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class channel, solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. We are in the Make It Trick segment. We have a question on the board for us to decipher. Okay. Now look at this question. I give you 5 seconds to decipher what the answer is. Okay. I can hear some people saying 1 as the answer. Alright, if you said 1, let's see if you are correct. 16 plus 8 divided by 8 over 3. 16 plus 8, you see 24 divided by 8 over 3. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 over 3 is 1. Sorry to burst your bubble. 1 is not correct. Why? You have violated the principle of BODMAS. Now, we have our BODMAS says that we should divide before we add. But we violated that principle. Division comes before addition. So take note. So we are supposed to divide these two. So 16 add 8 divided by 8 over 3. We should have done 8 divided by 8, which is 1. So this is 16 plus 1 over 3, which is 17 over 3. So you can divide it. This is 3, that's 5. Remainder 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So this is 5.66. It keeps on going on. You can put 5 points. So it keeps on going. 5.6. You put your recurring decimal to signify that this keeps on going on and on. So this is our answer. I hope you have learned something today. If you enjoyed the solving, give us a like, give us a share. Tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Classic channel, so you're dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you're struggling, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Mickey Trick segment, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.